Okay, High Level Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, what are funnels? I was a bit confused when I started, and I just want to clear everything up. I'm gonna go through with you from scratch how you build funnels, how you get everything working. So this is the video to learn everything about funnels. So let's get into it. Okay, first you want to go into a sub account, and then go to sites, and then you can see funnels and websites. So the difference between a website and a funnel: website is not where you sell things, and a funnel is where you actually sell your product, for example. So websites are like just showcasing what you do. Funnels is what someone clicks on to purchase. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go to Launchpad and make sure Stripe is connected, as you can see here, because this is how you're going to process payments to your bank account. You can't take payments, so make sure that's step one. Make sure you get Stripe connected. Just go make a Stripe account. It takes 2 minutes. Now, when you build a funnel, High Level does have its own templates, but they're not really good. You just want your funnel to be straight to the point. You don't want your funnels to be confusing, all these images, blah blah blah. The best thing about a funnel is just it's straight to the point. The customer won't get confused reading this massive text. They put their name in, they put their email, they put their phone, and they purchase. All that writing and stuff is for the website section where it looks so pretty and stuff. Your funnel just you don't need to be pretty. But first things first is that you need to create your product. So what you do is go to the payments tab. First things first, you go to payments tab, and then you go to products. Then you create product. You don't want to include an online store because that's for e-commerce. I made a separate video on that. You can check that out. It's very good video. But let's say you're selling high level, literally high level as a software. So let's say my company is called LMX Software. You can put a description. You can add a file of your logo. What you want to do is make this, of course, reoccurring, and you can charge $240 a month. You can charge $297 a month, whatever. Okay, so let's say you charge $240 a month. Build monthly, no trial periods, number of payments unlimited, and press save. That's it. Now we can go back into funnels, and let's create a funnel. Okay, so remember you start from scratch. Let's put purchase page for funnel for a software. So now we need to add a step, and this will be the purchase page. Purchase page path purchase. Let's create. Okay, what you want to do first is add a domain to the funnel, and the way you add domains, you go into settings, you go to domains, you press add domain. Of course, first you need to buy a domain from GoDaddy. Just go to GoDaddy, purchase it, then come to High Level, type in whatever domain it is. Mine was alumx.com. Type that in, and then High Level will ask you to sign into your GoDaddy account, and High Level will automatically sync your domain to this. And once it's done, it will look something like this. I'm not migrating domain, but it looks something like this. And once it looks like this, and once you've got a domain here, just go onto edit, make sure the default page is your website's homepage, and yeah, you're good. So go back, add the domain. You can add a favicon URL. I've gone that in a separate video how to do all that. So go back to steps. Now let's add our product in. So go to here's overview, go to products, press add product, click the LMX software, add the price. I didn't save the last product because I already got this one here, but it seems like I put $297 before. So you add the product in, and it should say this. Once it says this recurring and it's green, then you're good to go. Now you just need to create the purchase page. Let's create from blank. If you join my affiliate program, you'll get all my funnels, my website, and everything for free. Here's all the benefits you get when you join my affiliate program here. So you won't have to worry about all of this, but if you don't, then you will. So this is what you do. First you want to do is go to elements, add a full width column. What I'd recommend is adding a picture image here, and then adding your logo. Okay, add my logo. I want to make the background black because it just looks nice. Okay, next we want to add another full width, and we're going to add a 2-step order form where clients put their name, email, phone, and then put their card on the second tab so they purchase. Okay, so go down, first column, add element, scroll to the bottom. Forget 1-step order form, make sure it's 2-step order form. Click that and there you go. Looks pretty good. But what we don't like is that it says shipping there and it says where should we ship it, and it says your info, and it has all these shipping details which we don't need because it is online software. Okay, so what you do is you go to advanced and it says shipping, but you should put your information. You can change this whatever you like. I'm just showing you where you put it, and you just fill out below. So you see here, we just changed that to your information and fill out below. Let's get rid of the shipping. We don't need all of that. Show shipping. Let's hide shipping. So that's gone. Company name, we don't need it. We don't need company name. Show company name. Let's hide company name. I've created a video on my YouTube channel called Automated Client Onboarding. If you want the whole thing, how you do it, watch that video. I'm just explaining what funnels are here. Okay, next go to step 2, and you want to change this to purchase here. Purchased here, and maybe just fill out. Change this whatever you like, and then that seems all good. Check on mobile view how it looks. You can even add a headline at the top here and say purchase here. Then of course that's black, so we want to go down to color and make it white. And obviously we want to make this a bit smaller because it's a bit too big. Okay, you can make this more professional. I'm just showing you how you do it. So now, if we preview it quickly, we put our name, go to next step. You can see here, we've got the Alamex software, $2.97 per month. They can add a coupon code and they add their number, add expiry, add this code, and they'd purchase. And that'll go to your bank monthly, every month. You'll charge their card. Next what we want to do is add a thank you page. Just thank you page, path thank you, and just do the same thing with the top. Let's get first row, add an image. Now what we want to do here is add a full width here, add a column. Now you see at the bottom it says order confirmation. Click that, and Highlevel will auto populate the product that you're selling, how much it cost. It's like a little thank you receipt. And of course we do want to give them a little message saying thank you for purchasing. And you can add a little sub headline if you want, saying blah blah blah, and press save and publish. Okay, so I've gone through that quite quick. So you make sure you add your product, you connect Stripe, and you create your pages. Now what we want to do is create an automation, so whenever someone purchases from this, we get notified that they've purchased. And also if you want to send a receipt to them, you can configure so Highlevel sends them an automatic receipt. So if you go to payments tab and you go to settings and you enable this button to send automatic receipts. So enable that and we don't have to worry about receipts, but let's notify ourselves. I've gone through this before, so I'm going to quickly show you. So the trigger is going to be an order form submission. You can do in funnel, whatever funnel you've picked, whatever you named it. The page is the purchase page, the product is the software, and the submission type is sale. You do this by adding filters, okay? Press save trigger. Now what we want to do is you can send them an email. I've created my own email template, which you do on marketing. Then you want to notify ourselves. So what you do is go to internal notification, and you open that up, and you want to send a notification. You want to make the title, the contact's name has purchased a software. Well done. I just said that. I'm messing myself one step closer to success, brother. I'm counting on you. And I just fill out with custom values the client's name, the client's email, the client's phone, and the client's business name right there. Make sure this particular user is me. Press save. Then this is a bit extra, but what I do is wait one day. Then I email my client saying, just letting you know how things are going. My team is knee deep in code trying to create your website. Then I wait another day saying we're creating your automations. I wait another day. All you do is find the wait step. You just type in wait. Type wait. Time delay. Days. 1 day. Press save. That's how you do it. But obviously I don't need that right now. So let's delete. Then I send them another email. So what I do is just keep following up with emails while I'm building their software. So they get so every day they get news of what I'm doing, so they feel like it's good value for them. So that's what funnels are in Highlevel. I'm gonna make more advanced videos, but I'm just making sure that everyone has a base understanding so we can build on our knowledge. Make sure you join my affiliate program. Here's all the benefits you get. Best affiliate program on the planet by a mile. I'll literally sit down with you, tutor you with high level on Zoom calls, and we can get things going. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, that's it.